are going to talk about 3 ways to keep the fun in your homeschool. I would encourage you to ask others to get involved. There are so many benefits if dad or maybe even a grandparent is willing to help out for a project or maybe even teach a course. You could have an older sibling be the teacher for the day. My kids always enjoy having an occasional substitute teacher. The Hub has allowed us to be mobile with our homeschool. At the beginning of each year, I take each of the work textbooks apart, and then I spiral bind them into 2 packets with 90 lessons in them each. Then my kids use an iPad, which has the Hub on it, and it has access to their e-textbooks. When we want to take our school outside of the classroom, we just grab the iPads and our packets of work text. Don't be afraid to try something new. Local coffee shops, the park, the library, and even McDonald's can be fun places to learn. BJU Press provides a lot of opportunities within the curriculum for the kids to do hands-on activities. The STEAM activities in Math 4 are really engaging, and the recipes and spelling have been a big hit. The Logos kits from BJU Press are a great tool to help with the science activities. It's also nice to have all the supplies and materials in one place. When you are able to incorporate some of these activities in your homeschool, it will not only be fun, but it'll also help reinforce the concepts your students are learning.